Ever felt really tired and didn't know why? Or maybe you've noticed some weird changes in your body lately. Well, it might be your kidneys trying to tell you something important. Today, we're going to talk about 10 signs that could mean your kidneys need help. These are things you really shouldn't ignore. Your kidneys do a super important job in your body. When they're not working right, it can cause all sorts of problems. But don't worry. If you know what to look for, you can catch these issues early. So, stick around and watch the whole video. What you learn here could make a big difference to your health. It might even save your life one day. Ready to find out what these 10 signs are? Let's get started with the first one. It might surprise you. 1. Fatigue and weakness. Sometimes one may feel so exhausted they cannot even get out of bed. Irritation and weakness are normal, but they can also be a warning from your kidneys. Healthy kidneys produce a hormone called erythropoietin, EPO. EPO works as a postman that delivers a message to your bone marrow that it should produce red blood cells. These red blood cells are the busy bees of your body that transport oxygen to various parts of your body. It is, after all, what enables you to power through your day, from the early morning run to the late evening salsa lesson. However, in case the kidneys are not functioning as they should, then they produce less EPO. This disrupts everything, leading to the production of fewer red blood cells as compared to what the body requires. Since these oxygen carriers are scarce in presence, your body gets a limited supply of oxygen, and you always feel tired and drained out. 2. Trouble sleeping. Struggling to fall asleep at night or wake up in the morning feeling refreshed. It is not just tossing and turning and counting sheep as in the past. This is an indication that disturbed sleep can be a silent signal of deteriorating kidney health. Healthy kidneys work day and night, removing waste products and toxins from the blood. However, when they are defective, such waste products such as urea and creatinine accumulate in the body. Besides, kidney dysfunction is a possible cause of apnea during sleep. This condition occurs when your breathing is interrupted and then starts up again during the night, which makes sleep almost impossible. Therefore, if you shift from side to side at night or wake up with an unabated feeling of tiredness despite a full night's sleep, then it would be wise to consult your physician. On your kidney condition. 3. Dry and itchy skin. People who experience dry and itchy skin may not know they need to attend to their kidneys, but they are wrong. Here's the connection. If your kidneys are healthy, they are supposed to regulate levels of calcium and phosphorus in your blood. But when they are failing, this balance shifts. This imbalance can cause skin to become dry and itchy because the skin loses moisture and minerals it needs to function properly. At times, there is also an imbalance in minerals resulting in calcium deposition in the skin, further contributing to itching and skin inflammation. Therefore, if the skin is dry and itchy all the time, and there are symptoms mentioned on this list, one should consult a doctor to check the kidneys. 4. Swollen ankles and feet. Swollen ankles and feet could mean your kidneys are unhealthy. Your kidneys filter the fluids and waste products and transport them through your body in the form of urine. When everything is well with the bodies, this balance of fluids is well regulated. However, when your kidneys are weak and unable to filter the fluid in your body, it builds up, particularly in the ankles and feet. This buildup results in inflammation, leading to the formation of small swollen lumps that are tender to the touch. Moreover, these kidneys might not effectively clear the body of sodium, a mineral that influences fluid. This can increase the chances of fluid retention and swelling among those people who take this supplement regularly. Therefore, if you are experiencing swelling of your ankles and feet some of the time without knowing why, and especially if other symptoms detailed below are also present, then it would be prudent to pay a visit to your physician. 5. Increased urge to pee. Inconvenient pee breaks can be a small hassle, but they may be the body trying to tell you that your kidneys are overworking. Kidneys are glands that perform special functions by purifying the blood and sieving waste from the useful components. This waste is then excreted through urine, and this describes the kidney's role in waste removal. However, when one's kidneys are dying, such filters work inefficiently. This can lead to two things: frequent urination as kidney cells attempt to filter the blood more intensely, and unequal filtration where some wastes do not pass through the kidneys normally. Therefore, if you experience persistent visits to the bathroom whether during the day or at night, it is recommended that you get your kidneys analyzed. Preventive measures and timely treatment are effective in ensuring that these core organs perform to the optimum capacity. 6. Blood and urine. Getting a sight of blood in the urine is disheartening, and for the right reason out there, they are warranted. While it may not always be caused by kidney issues, it may be a symptom of one. Here's why. Kidneys are supposed to allow only waste to pass through and out of your urine. However, when they are cracked, small blood cells may also be filtered through, and thus you will see your urine is reddish or pink. This is not always, though it may be symptomatic of a big problem. At least it is something to worry about. Other diseases could lead to the visibility of blood in the urine, which includes urinary tract infections and kidney stones, among others. Therefore, if one develops the said symptom, one has to pay a visit to the doctor and get an appropriate treatment for the particular disease. Kidney disease can be easily diagnosed and treated if discovered early enough to ensure that the kidneys do not deteriorate any further. 7. Foamy or frothy urine. You might think it's quite weird, but seeing foamy or frothy urine can tell a lot about the condition of your kidneys. In normal conditions, kidneys are supposed to filter proteins from your blood and prevent them from getting into your urine. But when they're failing, these protein filters become a little compromised, which lets some protein in. This protein can make your urine become milky or foamy. It would look as if you were about to bathe. While it may be caused by a lack of water in your system, thick and foamy urine is one sign that warrants a visit to the kidney clinic. 8. Nausea and vomiting. In a normal state, kidneys work like a closed garbage disposal, removing and eliminating unwanted waste and byproducts in the blood. But when they are in the failure mode, these toxins accumulate in the bloodstream and cause uremia. This buildup is very harmful to the body and may lead to nausea and vomiting due to the expulsion of metabolic waste products. Additionally, uremia causes other problems such as a metallic taste in your mouth, which makes you lose your appetite. Moreover, the body system that has close relations with the digestive system is the renal system, which is mostly represented by the kidneys. When the kidneys fail, one of their roles is digestion, and poor digestion leads to nausea and vomiting. Therefore, if you have been vomiting incessantly and the symptoms appear to have no cause, then you need to have your kidneys examined. Sometimes you might not be feeling well and there will be toxins clogging your kidney. Getting an early diagnosis and starting treatment can enable the kidney to filter out those toxins and have you up on your feet again. 9. Poor appetite. While it is quite irritating to lose appetite, the same may be indicative that your kidneys could be crying for attention. To be more specific, healthy kidneys are like a control center, regulating the concentrations of electrolytes and minerals in your bloodstream. However, when they are negative, this equilibrium is disrupted. Coupled with this, the accumulation of toxins in your bloodstream resulting from uremia may also cause a metallic taste in your mouth. Think of the displeasure of eating your best meal while having a mouth full of pennies. Also, patients with uremia may experience a loss of the ability to smell, which results in a reduced appetite. Occasionally, parts of the digestive system are slowed when the kidneys are not working correctly. These can help you feel full quickly and contribute to a lack of appetite. In other words, if you're experiencing persistent loss of appetite with other symptoms we discussed here, do not hesitate to consult your doctor on your kidney health. 10. Confusion and difficulty concentrating. Feeling foggy-headed and forgetful? Perhaps it may not necessarily be a long day at the office. Impaired cognitive function, which is apparent by confusion and inability to concentrate, would also manifest when the kidneys are not functioning properly. The role of your kidneys is to remove waste products and toxins from the bloodstream when they are still functioning properly. Uremia occurs when these toxins accumulate in the bloodstream when the kidneys are not functioning optimally to help remove wastes and toxins from the body. This buildup can impair your thinking, confuse, and slow your concentration, and in some people can lead to memory difficulties. I am sure that attempting to do any work with a cloud of undesirable chemicals floating around in your head is extremely difficult. It indicates that if the disease of the kidney is diagnosed at an early stage and this internal toxin is treated properly, then it does not affect the brain. Therefore, in case you are noticing confusion or working with challenges in terms of concentration and other issues we have discussed above, it is advisable to consult with the doctor. Early detection is key. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional. Remember, healthy kidneys are essential for a healthy you. Stay informed and take care of yourselves. Like, subscribe and share, and turn on the notification bell.